Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to add a button and a method to change the text of a label. There is a button and also a label. If I click on this, it will change the text and also the color. Let's see how we can do it. So for this we are going to import the same code from the previous simple GUI tutorial. From that we are going to import from Tkinter import all and import TTK, that is themed TK library. Then we are going to create root application object. Then we will give minimum size, then the title. Then we are going to add line to start our main loop event. Now we are going to add a label. First we will add a label. Label is equal to label root object, then text we are going to give it as hello all. Then we are going to place it in a grid, label dot grid. You can visualize grid as a spreadsheet file which has many rows and columns, and rows and columns starts from 0. First we have to give column as 1, row as 0. Now we are going to add a button. Button is equal to ttk dot button root text on the button as click me. Then we are going to place this button in a grid, button dot grid, column is equal to row 0, row is equal to 0. So now we have created one label and one button within our window. Let's run this and see how it looks. So we have created one button and one label. We have to add a method so that this button works. We will add a method. If click me label dot configure first we are going to change the text as how are you. Next we are going to change the color, configure we are going to change the color. For that, foreground red color, and button dot configure we are going to change the text of a button as text is equal to I am clicked. Add this method to the button. So for that we have to add command is equal to click me, right? So now we are going to run this code. Let's see what happens. So this code is running. Let's click on this button. So after clicking, the text of the button has changed, and also the text of the label and the color of the label has changed.